Hello. I'm going to go ahead and start this Facebook Live early. I know I'm about 20 minutes early, but I went to the doctor today and they put me on a new medicine and I have to go pick it up. So I wanted to get my Facebook Live done and then run it because they close for an hour for lunch. So today we're going to do these 3 quick and cute cards using the Clever Cat stamp set. So cute. I love this cat. Okay, so we're going to be making these 3. So we'll start with this one. Pull in my card kit. Okay. So we'll start with our card base. All the measurements for all 3 cards are on my vlog today. So you can just head over there and see the cards that we're making. Okay. So we're going to start with bring our seal in. Okay. We're going to attach our pumpkin pie layer to our basic black layer. I need to remeasure that basic black because I think it's too big. It should be 4. Yeah. Okay. So next we're going to just attach this to the card front. Sorry if you hear my husband and my dog. Okay, so we're going to attach this, come up from the bottom just a little bit and attach that. This is designer series paper we're using. It comes from the cute Halloween, sorry, cute Christmas. So we're going to get our broom and our early espresso ink. And we're going to stamp it. Let me grab a little mat. Okay, so we're going to stamp our broom just like this toward the bottom. Okay. Then we're going to stamp our cat right on top of the broom. We want him to sit right on the broom. Okay. Perfect. Then we're going to come and bring our little greeting in here. And we're using Have a Perfect Halloween. Just like that. Okay, so let's put the ink lid back on. Okay, so we're going to take adhesive, our seal, put it on our white on our black. Okay, we're going to bring in our paper snips. And what I do is I just cut a little notch in and then they come in from each side and flag it. So go in the middle and then flag it from each end just like that. Okay, and then we need our dimensionals. I did tell my husband I was going live early, so he could interrupt us. Okay. Okay. So, if you're joining me or you're watching this replay, tomorrow, October 6th, Stampin' Up! Is going to be doing a clearance rack refresh. I'm going to start on the second card. Okay. So they're adding more new products to the clearance rack. And we're going to be able to, so they're adding, and they're going to be up to, they'll be up to 60% off. And it's while supplies last. So it should be, it should start at, I know it'll be live in the morning sometime. So this is Highland Heather, and again, the cute Halloween, I don't know why I keep saying Christmas, designer series paper. We're going to do the broom and the cat again. So we'll do the broom. That one I did in crumb cake, but I'm just sticking with the early espresso since I still have that ink out. And I already used it on that stamp. Oof. Yeah, I think I'll be okay. Okay, so we're going to stamp our cat. Okay, and then we're going to come in with our greeting. It says, "Really, I've been this cute all 9 lives." That is so adorable. Sorry. He's trying to keep him quiet for me. Okay, so we're going to put this on here. Okay, so that's card 2. And our last card is this one. And it uses, pull our ribbon out of our, uses the cat in the box, which is adorable too. So basic white card base. First layer is pumpkin pie. Then you can use any patterns from the cute Halloween designer series paper. And what I did was I cut this piece and then I cut a piece, the same pattern, but use the other side. Just like that. Okay, bring in our black ink and our cat on the box. Oh. Bring in our tag. Our tag comes from the tailor-made tag dies. I love them. They're some of my favorite. I have 2 sets of them. It's because I use them so much. Okay. Let's move out our ink. We'll bring in our piece of, this is the black and white gingham ribbon. Okay. And then we're just going to cut it. Just like that. And then dimensionals. And sometimes the back of these dimensionals are hard to get off. Okay, and that is our 3rd and final card using the Clever Cats stamp set. If you have any questions, please let me know and I'll come back and answer them. Thank you.